To Apple in the post-game press conference with our bidding coach.
Welcome to our post-game press conference. We're joined by Coach Dato Pineda of Converge. Coach, congratulations. Before the game, nabanggit mo sa akin how because konti lang yung inyong panahon at oras to practice as a complete team, you weren't expecting a lot in this opening game. Pero ano yung masasabi mo at nakita mo sa nilaro ng yung mga players na magandang senyales for this conference?
Okay, so if you see, nag-struggle kami dun sa last part ng first half and start ng third, nag-struggle kami. One good thing, on the fourth, nag-step up lahat pa rin yung mga bata.
And also, now we're ready to entertain questions from the media.
Thank God. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah.
How many points?
18. I was surprised. 60.
Ano naman sa amin sa naging finish na outscoring mga tayo namin para 40 or something like that. Ano po bang nagbago din sa stretch po na ito?
Ito mga bata, dumipensa ng gusto talaga nung fourth quarter. Makikita niyo. Yan ang big adjustment namin yung defense. So, see yung mga transition namin, steals. Yan ang nagdala sa amin sa fourth quarter. And still, siguro dahil medyo deep yung bench namin, fresh leg yung mga pumalit. Kaya we played with defense. Running game, if you will see, nandoon.
Ayun, kung sa lang yung naging match ng Damian Chongqui o yung Marinette, kung sa lang yung nangyari.
Okay naman po. It's great. That's what basketball is. You give your best, and things get heated sometimes, but that's the best of it. I'm sure you guys love to watch those type of moments, and kami, we're just trying to bring our best out there. For me, I just want to give a little energy to teammates. Where our energy was kind of down, and we were trying to catch up from their run. So. I'm glad it worked out well for us. The energy kind of spread out throughout the team, and it brought us the W.
Alec, you just carried your game from the All-Star, nice game from the All-Star to this game. Just your thoughts of having that consistency in the team?
Siguro I just try to bring out yung learnings from the moments that I had from the All-Star event, especially being able with teammates sila Abay and sila Calvin and the rest of the South All-Star team. So I learned a lot from them, and I try to bring that learnings. And also, Shepard, from the coaching staff, our momentum was kind of down, and Sila Gov just kept telling us to keep pushing. It's eventually going to go in our way. So, ayun, nagtiwala lang po kami sa kanila, and I'm glad it just worked out well for us.
Just how you rate yung performances ng mga bago yung acquisitions, sila Janelle Mercario, of course, Mikey Williams.
If you see Mikey Williams, fourth quarter na lang tayo. Pero wala pa talaga. Ano pa lang. Marami pang hahabulin si Mikey sa... Pero siyempre, still a threat inside. Nag-iba yung momentum ng offense namin when Mikey become the point. Na-set niya lahat.
Si Janelle naman.
And Janelle, well, alam niya naman talented yung bata na yun. Even he's in NLEX, talented yung bata na yun. One good thing with Janelle, may tapang yung bata. So, hindi mo makikita na mararatel yung bata. Kaya, a big help for the team, si Janelle.
So, lang po, timeline po, kailan makakalaro, makakabalik si Calvin ng Buenos.
Calvin, maybe 2 or 3 more games na rush muna. Wala na, may edad na eh. Kala niya lang malakas pa, pero nangangatog na yung puhod.
The beast needs to hibernate.
Tanda 90s pa.
Buti nga hindi uric acid.
Sobrang curious lang po si Michael kasi fourth quarter na pinasok and then buong fourth na po ginamit. Ano po yung paano niyo po na talagang yun po ang plano na ipasok siya sa fourth? And then-
Para ma-excite yung mga fans. No, talagang tinry ko muna yung mga core namin. Try the core na sila na muna. Ayokong mabago yung pacing nung team na still start sa core, then unti-unti papasok itong mga new players namin to blend.
That concludes our post-game